Happy Monday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. I'm so excited to be seeing people in the comments, leaving comments saying that they are getting hired for some of these job leads that I have been sharing. I'm glad that they're working out for you and this has been helpful to someone. And if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available and sharing them with you on a daily basis. So if you never want to miss another upload or job lead, please make sure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the healthcare company Refi Health. They are looking for a data entry associate. And it says, as a data entry associate, you'll play an active role in helping develop their offerings because you will learn how to consistently deliver high quality analysis and reporting to their customers. Now, we'll get down to the benefits in just a minute, but the good thing about this is they offer great benefits. And one of the benefits they offer is a yearly $1,300 work from home stipend. So you can buy a computer with that, you can pay your internet with that, you can buy home office supplies with that, a desk, a chair, whatever you need. So they are going to provide you with additional money to get set up. But as far as what you'll be doing, you'll be approving upon current services such as their data entry, communication between their customer success and their customers regarding their services and data extraction. You'll organize, review, and manage site data for the customers into the CRM process and computer system in a timely manner. You'll compile and verify accuracy and sort information into different templates for their data entry, and you'll review any data for any errors. Now, they are looking for someone who has 0 to 2 years of data entry work experience is preferred. Someone who has the proven ability to demonstrate data collecting, analyzing, and interpretation. Someone who has great interpersonal skills, great oral and written communication skills, and someone who has experience with Microsoft Office and data programs such as Excel. Now, as far as those great benefits that they offer, it says competitive salary and stock options, although it does not list the salary. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. They are remote first, so they are dedicated to working from home. It says they have flexible paid time off and working hours. They give you up to 16 weeks of paid parental leave. They pay your health insurance 100% for you, including, and then they make HSA contributions of $400 for individuals or $800 for family. 401k plans, there's that $1,300 annual home office stipend, plus many other benefits. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave anything specific in the comments that you are looking for, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.